Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the general management. Then let's tap on date and time. And first of all, we have to turn off both of those switchers to be able to set the date and time manually. So let's tap on set date, and as you can see, we can choose it from the calendar, tap on done. The same situation with the time, just change it by swiping and tap on done. It will be immediately applied here. We can also select the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available ones. So find yours and then tap on it. I'll choose this one. It will be immediately applied, and here the 24-hour format which is currently applied, or we can set the 12-hour format of the clock just by turning off this option by tapping on the switcher. So basically this is the manual customization of date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.